So hi everyone, I'm part of Group C, and as part of our team we decided to teach a few expressions in our native languages. So I'll start sharing my screen and you can see some common phrases from Spanish. The first slide is just about asking for and giving your name. The first question says, ¿Cómo te llamas? That means, what's your name? In my country, there are some regions where the pronunciation of LL varies. So in some provinces, you will hear people say, for example, the word llamas, like that, with a sound. But in Loja, for example, people pronounce it saying it llamas. ¿Cómo te llamas? And for this question, you have different ways to answer. So you can say me llamo and your name, like me llamo Vilma Suárez. Or you can also say soy Vilma Suárez o me llamo Vilma Suárez again. Yeah, in this case, for an informal way, you would omit your last name. And then you can also say soy Vilma Suárez, okay? Now, you also have another expression. Here it says hola or hi, how are you? Hola, ¿qué tal? And then we have a reply to this, that when someone introduces you for the first time, you can say, for example, encantado de conocerle. We use conocerle in a formal way when you talk to someone who's not a friend of yours. But we use conocerte with a T for people who you feel are your friends, yeah, or in an informal situation. The eighth expression is mucho gusto, en conocerte, which is similar to the first one. That means pleased to meet you. And the last one is adiós o hasta luego, which means see you or bye. Now I'll go back and I would like you to listen and repeat this question, the first one. ¿Cómo te llamas? Yeah, very good. Me llamo and say your name. Yeah. Yeah, you can also respond by saying soy. Soy and your name. Yeah, very good. Yeah, so basically the other ones are the same. Now, let's listen and repeat this expression. Hola, ¿qué tal? Yeah, hola, ¿qué tal? Encantado de conocerle. Yeah, and here I have to clarify something. When a woman replies, you should have the letter A, encantada de conocerle. Yeah, yeah, so that should be encantada de conocerle. Yeah, and number 8, mucho gusto. Yeah, so it means pleased to meet you, mucho gusto. And the last one, adiós, hasta luego. Yeah, great job. Great job. Now, I'll stop sharing my screen. Yeah. And I prepared my Quizlet activity but maybe I misunderstood it and I didn't do it according to today's topic of this presentation topic. I had something different. Yeah, so I will only show you. Yeah, I will not ask you to play you because you have not learned anything related to this activity that I created. So my activity was based on vocabulary related to ICT technology and the theories of the digital age. So as we have been learning about the use of technology, I started researching about theories of the digital age, and I learned that nowadays we have these theories like paragogy, youthagogy, connectivism, and also we have these words related to what we are working on now, like ILM, CAL or CALL, and LMS, yeah, which you are probably familiarized with these words, yeah. So I already included the link to this activity in the course, and you can play and practice this new vocabulary and these new things. So basically, that would be all, and sorry for not preparing Quizlet related to the topic. Yeah, so thank you very much.